the one that will speak the most, or the persona that will be dominant in the whole poem, or in most part of the poem, that is now our key and our only persona. Ule mwingine unawacha, but mwenye narudiwa sana kila wakati, that is now the persona whom you use, not the other one. Okay, then we move on to question number 2. An examiner can ask you, identify the theme in the poem. Now, such a question can be set in this manner, so that way, or anakuza kuuliza highlight the dominant theme in the poem. That is, if we have more than one theme, then the next one they can tell you to discuss the thematic concerns in the above poem. Okay, so this one, all of them, they are only asking one thing. That is the theme. Don't know what the theme is. So here we say, so the theme is the message that is being put across, by the poem. That's the theme. Some books, they call it the subject matter. So here we'll say, so it can also be termed as the subject matter, and also be termed as the subject matter of the poem. Okay, so here we say that different poems have different messages depending with the situation, in which, so the situation and environment in which the author. So different poems have different messages depending on the situation and environment in which the author was in. That way. Then you can say, you can look at the types of themes. Now this one are the same themes that which we discussed in the set book, that is Fathers of Nations. Remember, a theme is a message that they want to tell you, so it will still be the same. Although we have different pieces of literature, but a theme can cut across, can be used in one type of writing and in another type of writing. So here we can have someone talk about poverty. You can have someone talk about social classes, or what they call in India, caste. You can have someone talk about education. You can have someone talk about love, talk about hate, talk about betrayal. We can also have someone talk about poverty, yes, religion. You can have politics. You can have corruption. There are many things that someone can talk. Even road safety can be a theme. Road safety. Okay, these are the themes that people talk about. So you should be keen on what the whole poem is talking about. Now remember, for you to get the theme, you have to go through the whole poem, not only one part of the poem. If you go through only one part of the poem, you'll get the theme that affects that part alone, not the whole poem. Because when you go through the whole poem, and in case the theme changes, maybe one will change a few times up to when it will become dominant, for you to identify the one that is dominant, and the ones that are insignificant unachana nazo, you stick with the one that is dominant. So we look at an example.